In this video, we are going to show you how to download historical billing invoice statements in Hermes Agent. Now, to do this, you need to go to the portal, the news research portal at portal.newsresearch.com. As you can see here, once you are here, you want to go to billing, right? So once you are in your billing, you want to scroll down until you see top up credits, and under top up credits you want to click on view invoices, right? So when you click on view invoices like so, wait for it to load, it's going to bring you to this page right here, and you will want to click on invoice history, whatever invoice history you have here. So we only have one because we just opened a new account. So click on this. It's going to open a new tab. And here you can download invoice or download receipts. So that is pretty much how you can download historical billing or your invoicing for Hermes Agent. So pretty much it. That's the video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.